No, I'm good.
Yeah, me too.
Stop looking, just go. You want me to put it in there for you?
I can do it. I can do it. It's a fucking cricket. Fucking cricket. It's a cricket. It's a dead crunchy cricket. I have to chew it. Yeah, I have to or I won't. But,
You're not gonna want to not chew it. It's like a chip. Just do it.
Sucks. Okay. I can do it. I can do it. It's just a cricket. Look how small it is. People eat this, right?
People do eat it.
Oh fuck, his leg just came off.
You just eat it?
Yeah. You're gonna do, oh, a 3D picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? He's doing this.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Oh my god, you're eating your cricket.
It's stuck on the top of my mouth. I'm not kidding you.
Spit.
It's stuck on my I can't swallow it. It's on my
Spit.
No, throw up.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't swallow it.
Then spit it out.
It's stuck on my throat, Mom.